combine videos on a PC, right-click on the video file and choose Open With and select Microsoft Clipchamp. You can then name your new video. Click the Your Media button to open up a folder of the media imported. Select Import Media to add more videos. Choose the videos you'd like to combine and then select Open. You can then click and drag added videos to the storyboard at the bottom of your screen in the order you wish them to play. Click Export at the top to finish your video. You can select your video quality and a final chance to rename your file. You are then able to choose where you would like to save your video by clicking Save to your computer and then hit Save to export and finish your video.